Hello everyone! How are you doing today? Great! It's good to know that you're all doing well. In this video, I'm going to bring you to the world of fun and excitement. I am your teacher, Teacher Lorisa. Welcome to English 6. Today, we're going to discuss about adverbs. But before that, let us watch this video. What do you do every day?
Every day, every day. What do you do every day? Every day, every day. What do you do every day? I clean my room. I clean my room. I wash my face. I wash my face. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. I take a bath. I take a bath. I comb my hair. I brush my teeth. I read a book. I watch TV. Every day, every day. What do you do every day? Every day, every day. What do you do every day? I clean my room. I clean my room. I wash my face. I wash my face. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. I take a bath. I take a bath. I comb my hair. I brush my teeth. I read a book. I watch TV. Every day, every day. What do you do every day?
What did the girl do every day in the video? Cleaning her room, washing her face, riding a bike, reading a book, and brushing her teeth. Did you do the same during this time of pandemic while at home? Yes, of course. Do you think it is important to do those things? And why? Yes, it's really important to do those things. To be healthy and to be safe. Always remember that. Look at the picture and read the sentence about it. Number 1. I clean my room. What do you think is the verb in that sentence? Okay, very good. The verb is clean. In sentence number 2, I wash my face. What do you think is the verb in that sentence? Okay, very good. The verb is wash. Okay, let's take a look in our third picture. And the sentence is, I ride a bike. What is the verb in that sentence? Okay, very good. The verb is ride. In our fourth picture, the sentence is, I brush my teeth. What do you think is the verb in that sentence? Okay, the verb is brush. Okay, in our last picture, the sentence is, I read a book. The verb here is read. Okay, those verbs are very important in our new lesson. Examine the picture. Read the sentence, then answer the question that follows. Number 1. The girls ran quickly. How did the girls run? The answer is quickly. Next, yesterday, the pupils attended a workshop. When did the pupils attend a workshop? The answer is yesterday. Arabella puts the dolls inside the ice cream tent. Where does Arabella put the dolls? The answer is inside the ice cream tent. Watch and listen to the video carefully. It's about adverbs.
An adverb tells you more about a verb. Adverbs tell us how, when, and where the action takes place. The dog barks loudly. The adverb loudly tells us more about the verb barks. The adverb loudly tells us how the dog barks. The store opens early. The adverb verb early tells us more about the verb opens. The adverb early tells us when the store opens. The bus stops here. The adverb here tells us more about the verb stops. The adverb here tells us where the bus stops. An adverb tells you more about a verb.
Did you like the song? What is it all about? Okay, very good. It's all about adverbs. Rearrange the letters to find the correct word. Number 1. It tells when something happened or when someone did something. The answer is time. Number 2. It tells us where something happens. Okay, correct. The answer is place. And for number 3, it tells us the way or how something is done. The answer is manner. In our modular distance learning, when do you prepare to answer your assignments? In the morning or in the afternoon? Why? You choose in the morning because we are usually refreshed in the morning after a good night's sleep. That's right. Where do you like to do it? In your room or in the living room? In your room because you can concentrate and minimize distraction. How do you answer each question in your learning activity sheets? Carelessly or carefully? Of course, you should answer every question in your learning activity sheets carefully. From the video, adverbs tell us more about the verbs. Adverbs tell us how, when, and where the action takes place. Let us look at these examples. The dog barks loudly. The store opens early. The bus stops here. In sentence number 1, how does the dog barks? The dog barks loudly. What is the word that tells how the dog barks? The word is loudly. It tells how the dog barks. The word that tells how something is done is called adverb of manner. It tells us more about the verb barks. So loudly is an example of adverb of manner. The suffix "ly" is added to the end of adjective to form an adverb. However, not all adverbs of manner end with "ly". These are the following examples: well, fast, hard, little, much, and straight. Most of these can be also used as an adjective. In sentence number 2, when does the store opens? The store opens early. What is the word that tells when the store opens? The word is early. It tells when the store opens. The word that tells when something happened is called adverb of time. It tells us more about the verb opens. So early is an example of adverb of time. Adverbs of time have standard position in a sentence, depending on what the adverb of time is telling us. Adverbs of time often work best when placed at the end of the sentences. We can also change the position of an adverb of time to give emphasis to a certain aspect of a sentence. Here are the most commonly used adverb of time: tonight, tomorrow, yesterday, last night, today, now, and a lot more. In sentence number 3, where does the bus stops? The bus stops here. What is the word that tells where the bus stops? The word is here. It tells where the bus stops. The word that tells where something happened is called adverb of place. It tells us more about the verb stops. So here is an example of adverb of place. Adverb of place are normally placed after a sentence, object, or main verb. Adverbs of place can be directional. Here are the commonly used adverb of place. Here, there, up, eastward, down, by the wayside, and a lot more. Let's have activity number 1. Directions. Construct a correct sentence using the following random words given below. Write your answer in your activity sheet or your notebook. Observe the correct punctuation marks as well as capitalization of the letter. Okay, let's start with number 1. Easily, the periodical test, answered the boy. The answer is, the boy easily answered the periodical test. For number 2, project, her, she, happily finished. The answer is, she happily finished her project. Let's go on number 3. Accept the fact that they eventually lose the game. What is the answer? They eventually accept the fact that they lose the game. For number 4, the lesson to his students discuss clearly Mr. Santos. The answer is, Mr. Santos clearly discussed the lesson to his students. And for number 5, losing the game, to accept, it was hard for the group. The answer is, it was hard for the group to accept losing the game. For activity number 2, directions. Construct a correct sentence using the following random words given below. Observe correct punctuation marks as well as capitalization of the letter. For number 1, I told is over there the place you yesterday about. The answer is, I told you yesterday about the place is over there. For number 2, can't find I everywhere last night. The answer is, I can't find you everywhere last night. For number 3, park, we will tomorrow go to. What is the answer? The correct answer is, we will go to park tomorrow. Number 4, go to, every Sunday we church. What is the answer? The answer is, every Sunday we go to church. And for number 5, we'll visit, ask my grandma next week church. The answer is, my grandma will visit us next week. In our third activity, use an adverb from the word bank to finish the sentence and describe where the action takes place. This is our word bank. Now, sentence number 1. We have to play blank on the rainy days. So what is the correct adverb? The correct adverb is inside. So our sentence will be, we have to play inside on rainy days. How about in sentence number 2? I know I left my phone right blank. So what do you think is the correct adverb? Okay, very good. The adverb is here. So our sentence number 2 is, I know I left my phone right here. Very good. Number 3, I keep seeing the commercial blank. So the answer is everywhere. Okay, next, number 4. A strong wind made my kite fly blank. What is the answer? The answer is away. The sentence is, a strong wind made my kite fly away. How about in number 5? Moles like to dig blank. What is the correct adverb? Okay, the correct answer is underground. So our sentence is, Moles like to dig underground. Very good. Write the missing word to complete the sentence. Adverb of blank tells us the way or how something is done. The answer is manner. Adverb of manner tells us the way or how something is done. Next, adverb of blank tells when something happened or when someone did something. So the answer is time. Adverb of time tells when something happened or when someone did something. And next, adverb of blank tells us where something happens. So the answer is place. Adverb of place tells us where something happens. Identify the underlined words as adverb of manner, adverb of time, or adverb of place. Write your answer on the blank. Example, the kids are playing near the house. The underlined words are near the house. So the answer is adverb of place. Okay, let's start with number 1. The sentence is, there are many people at the park. So the underlined words are at the park. So the answer is adverb of place. Very good. It is an adverb of place. Look at sentence number 2. The TV is completely ruined. It doesn't work anymore. So the underlined word is completely. So the answer is, it is an adverb of manner. The movie will start at 1 p.m. You will not wait too long. The underlined word is 1 p.m. What's that? That is an adverb of time. Next, number 4. Get out of my sight, the man said angrily. The underlined word is angrily. What is the answer? That is an adverb of manner. Very good. How about in number 5? They visited the temple yesterday. The underlined word is yesterday. And that is an adverb of time. And for the performance task, from the pictures below, compose sentences using adverbs of manner, time, and place. Box the adverb used. For example, adverb of time. Russell drinks milk before bedtime. So you're going to box the word before. Before is an adverb of time. Okay, for number 1, you're going to write sentence that shows adverb of place. For number 2, adverb of time. Number 3, adverb of place. Number 4, adverb of manner. And number 5, adverb of place. Here is the writing rubric. That will be the basis for your score. We have here the different criterias and the equivalent score for that. Also, do not forget to write your personal insights about our lesson. That's all for today, class. Thank you. God bless and stay safe, everyone.